Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Okay, so for today, I will teach you how to solve the second order of differential equation. So first of all, you have to look at the general form. Okay, the question will give you in this form, A, the second order of derivative, plus B, first order of derivative, plus cy equals to 0. Okay, and then from this general form, okay, as you know, A, B, C is a constant, so any number will do. Okay, so from this general form, you have to convert in this term. Okay, if the second order f derivative, you have to convert into m square. Okay, look at the arrow. Okay, this one, this arrow. Okay, m square plus b. Okay, you just copy paste the constant and then first order of derivative you will convert into m. Okay, dy dx you convert into m and then plus cy. Okay, because y is not a differential equation, so you have to convert into 1 only. But you just can write the constant. Okay, for example, this one just put c equals to 0. Okay, I repeat, where a, b, and c are constant with a greater 0 and m square equal to the second order of derivative, m equal to first order of derivative, and y equal to 1. Okay, after you convert from the general form into the auxiliary equation, you have to know the second order differential equation have 3 types. Okay, the first one, okay, real and different roots. Okay, how to know this type is real and different roots? Okay, you can check by doing this. Okay, if b square greater than 4ac, okay, so this type is real and different roots. You have to substitute what is the value of b, what is the value of a and c. Like I mentioned before, BAC is a constant actually, so you have to substitute. Okay, then the second type is real and equal roots. So how to know? Okay, you substitute the value of b, a, and c. Okay, if b square equal to 4ac, so we know it is real and equal roots. Okay, the last type is imaginary roots. Okay, we also apply b square for ac, but for this type, which is imaginary roots, okay, b square will be less than 4ac. Okay, so I repeat, the first type is real and different roots. Okay, the second type is real and equal roots. The last type is imaginary roots. Okay, I repeat, how to check the type of the root? You have to check this one. Either it is greater, equal, or less. Okay, and then after you check the type of the root, okay, these three, okay, by check the condition, either greater, equal, or less. Okay, after you know and check the condition, we know the general solution. Okay, after we check the condition, we will find a root. Okay, after this, I will let you know how to find a root here. After you find a root, you just substitute over here. The m1, the m2. For real and equal roots, you just substitute the value of m. And then for the complex root, okay, when you find a root, for complex root only, we will find the alpha and the beta. Okay, this is a symbol of imaginary roots. Okay, so for complex root, you substitute the alpha here and the beta. Okay. Okay, so how to find a root? we have to know how to find a root because we want to know the value of M1, M2, M, alpha, and beta. Okay, for this one, I show you three methods to find a root. The first one by using factorization, the second one by using quadratic formula, the third one by using calculator. Okay, for the calculator, you can find all the root. Okay, and then for the factorization, you can find a root for real and different roots and real and equal roots only. How to find a root for complex root? Okay, when you check this is a complex root, you please do not use factorization. Okay, complex root you have to use quadratic formula by using negative b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Okay, so this one you can ask yourself what type of roots will use factorization or quadratic formula method. Okay, for the factorization, I repeat, we can use real and different roots and also real and equal roots. Okay, how about the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula for the complex root or imaginary root. Actually, imaginary roots and complex root is same, okay? They have two names. Okay, these are steps in solving a second order differential equation. Okay, the first one, form auxiliary equation. Okay, like I mentioned before, from this general form, you have to convert into auxiliary equation. Okay, m squared is a second order, m is a first order, y equal to 1. So this is the first step. Okay, you convert into auxiliary equation. Okay, the step 2, identify the nature and the condition of the root. We have to find the nature and the condition because we want to know which one general solution is suitable with the equation. Okay, so you have to apply this one. B square either greater, equal, or less than 4ac. Okay, step 3, find roots. Okay, either you use factorization or quadratic formula, and you can also using calculator. Please don't be careless, okay? When you use a calculator method, make sure you put the value correctly. Okay, so this is step 3. Okay, step 4, choose the general solution. Okay, for the step 4, you just substitute the value of m only. Okay, after you find a root, okay, for real and different roots, you just substitute the value of m1 and m2. Okay, for real and equal roots, you just substitute the value of m. Okay, for the complex root or imaginary roots, okay, you just have to substitute the value of alpha and the beta only. Okay, step 5 is apply the initial condition if applicable. Okay, so this is we will use step 5 when the question asks you to find a specific solution. Okay. All right. So this is step what you have to know to solve the secondary differential equation. Okay, so in the next video, I will show you how to solve real and different roots, real and equal roots, and complex root. Okay, hopefully you understand what I teach you. Anyway, thank you so much.